how to make a strawberry fresh in good coffee, great coffee. So the recipe for this is 2 strawberry pures. Wait, I think that's purees. 4 pumps of strawberry syrup, 4 parts of cold water, and then 2 scoops of ice. Now it's pretty much better to just do this in order because why not? So let's just go ahead and tap our strawberry purees. Also make sure you have all of these unlocked and bought already. So once you reach to that level, it doesn't automatically give it to you. You gotta buy it as well. But anyways, I think that was 2 parts. Now we need to put in 4 pumps of syrup, and then 4 parts of this cool water, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 ice cubes. And let's just fill it to the brim with the water. But anyways, that's pretty much how you make a strawberry fresh in good coffee, great coffee. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.